Hello guys, namaste, welcome back to Android Tricks. Well, I am sure you loved the music and the shots as well, so go ahead and hit that like button to continue watching the setup part. Yeah, go ahead, I'm waiting. Damn, I wish YouTube worked like that. Anyways, starting with setting up the devices, it is really simple if you have used any other Android device. And if you haven't, well, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to my channel because I'm gonna blow your mind away by showing you tips never known and tricks never shown of the Android world. Enough of self-promotion, moving ahead to set up this device, just turn on the device and connect it with the Wi-Fi network. After that, log into your Gmail account, which will help you get the data from your previously used Android device. Then set up the lightning fast fingerprint scanner as you just saw over here. Choose if you want the navigation buttons on the screen. I personally don't like them. Then enable all the gestures, highly recommended. And boom, setup is complete. But wait, there's another thing you gotta do right after you log in. That is, you have to go to the YouTube and search for OnePlus 3T tips and tricks and watch my video. If you just got a OnePlus device, then I am sure you're gonna learn a lot from that video. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Yes, this is the last time I'm saying this to subscribe. And yeah, that's pretty much for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button. And if you already have liked this video, then go ahead and comment down what you want to watch next on my channel. That's pretty much. See you guys in the next one.